So for Power BI, what I'll do first of all is to open the Power BI function, the Power BI tool, and I'm going to import my data from Excel. I will import my data from Excel. I'll import my data from Excel. Great. So I'll come and say here, dashboard, homework. Here I am. Then I'll open there very fast. All right. Then I'll be able to check this data. Once I do that, I can see a preview, some section of the table being uploaded there. Then I'll be able to say load. So once I say load, you can see things are changing there. I don't need any of these. It's loading data. All right, so once I'm there, it's already loaded. So what I'll do, I'll come and click on this arrow. All right, then I can see this has been expanded. So I would want to work with sales first of all. So I have the sales. So these sales, I'll come and pull it here. And then I can drill down these sales. I can drill down these sales, for example, using the country, each country, right? Our country is only one, so really that doesn't make a lot of sense. I can straight away come and uncheck this because we only have Kenya in the data. So I can come and expand this, for example, using towns. I would want to know how this sort of sales is spread out using in the towns that I have. So there I am, I have Bungoma, etc., and I can change the chart. For example, I could come here and use whatever chart that I want, all right, whatever chart. If you want a line graph, you'll get. If you want whichever that you want, you should be able to do what here to get like that. Now listen and listen to me very well. If, for example, you want another, for example, visual, another visual, you could come here and, for example, pick the matrix. So this matrix, what do I want? I would want my sales. I would want, for example, my towns. My towns, in this case here, to be row titles. And then I would want my year, for example, my year to be on the columns, all right? And then I may want, in this case here, to populate this thing with what here with sales. So I'll come and put under values. I'll be able to put the sales there, under value. So you can see in this case here, this has been able to populate itself very, very nicely like that. So you have your dashboard. Very important, very important. Thank you. And these are things that I know most people will not be able to know how to do this. So the most important thing is to join my online classes for you to be able to know really Power BI is a very, very powerful tool. Otherwise, for today, I think we have done enough